Hello everyone, it's Taylor, and today we see why I absolutely fucking hate updates. All they do is fuck things up, and today we're here to fix that by downgrading. Updates do not work from anybody. It's so fucking annoying. And it's not just Microsoft today, it's actually Apple. Mojave update is just god awful. Screw this, I'm going to Sierra. And this is internal more of just, I don't know, I thought we filming it. It's an interesting video. But why not? Let's get started, shall we? I'm not showing you guys amazing installer or anything like that. Just gonna let you guys watch as I sadly had to go. I did it for the night mode or dark mode, whatever. But the networking is so fucked up in this thing, it's not even worth it. They won't acknowledge it. Outside the support, they just let's do more tests, It's like, can't you just replicate it yourself and figure it out? Quit wasting my fucking time. Anyhow, you're gonna boot it up and hold down Alt to go to the boot menu. Then try to get the show in OBS. I backed up the data off the computer, so I'm good to go on that perspective. I need to go full screen. Still CRI. This is unfortunately a USB 2 drive. So it's gonna be 4 bits. Okay. So this actually has MacOS Mojave on it. Obviously because it's shitty and we're downloading it. But because of that, why is it clipping so much? The fuck? Or is it the mixer? Yeah, other board. Why is it doing this? The hell? Hey. Put that. Okay then. Anyhow. Why? Quit it. Anyhow. Because of that, we're gonna need to use this tutorial to format the drive. This will erase your auto. Hang on, anyway. Okay, we good now? Yeah, fucker. So, this thing's junk. I bet secondary board with a monitor mixer visually. And here in the better days, I took the clip out. See, I start wanting, I knew what it was. Okay, yeah, so this one. This is all APFS format, we want to get rid of this. So, this will erase your data. Be warned. This will erase all your data. I seriously hope I got everything that I wanted off here. I'm pretty sure I did. If I didn't know, I'd be very pissed off. And this isn't gonna work, is it? Fuck. I am so fucking done with this. So basically the network transfer doesn't work in Mojave. Yeah, loses connection constantly, it's slow. The whole OS in general is just slow. AirDrop's broke, it won't work either. I tried to support, tried to reinstall it. The snow drive tested, didn't work. Didn't have it on the MacBook. I used it with a USB drive instead of the internal drive. I was not putting it on the internal drive to do that. I was going to send it to that computer next after this one. And yeah, I said fuck all this, we're going up to Sierra. And it looks like it may not want to. So, great. And erasing HDD. Yeah, come on. Fuck. Seriously. I hate you. I really do fucking hate you. Okay, backup time. So since that didn't work too well, we're gonna not try that again first. Let's just do my already made Sierra SSD install. So we'll go ahead and hop into the disk utility. Do my editing thing while we try to work out the Mojave problem. Before I said fuck this, we're going back to Sierra on the main map as well. What the fuck is going on with this thing? You might have a huge problem I just made. Shit. Seriously. Why is nothing reading this drive? We might need a Mojave install for this. So it's not the drive out. Shit. Let's try force quit. This utility. No. God damn it. This is not gonna work. Okay. Oh, let me get in there already. We're already here. Yep. Okay. Let's see if I can figure this out. Okay. This util west. Okay. Store Sierra. It's a Sierra. So we're targeting disk is 0 then. Dev this here. Okay. This to erase disk. Erase disk. Form. Format. 0. I don't know if it has worked, so don't follow this blindly. GPT. Cannot find disk GPT. What? Erase this morning pound. Can this go wrong anywhere that already has? So fucking mess. Anyhow, the mount point. This format. BT. Slash disk. 0. Custom type. What? Okay, hang on. I'll figure this out eventually. Disk. To file. Nice. Okay, let's see here. Disk. So, why is HD as an option here? It's interesting. Okay, sensitive. Yeah. Now just pause. There we go. With name DVD. You know what? Fuck it. Finished race on this. Okay. Utility, goddammit. I hate that. I'm gonna be in to fucking tell you too. Not that hard. I've been doing this for like 3 days now. I'm gonna fucking kill this damn thing. Seriously. Okay. You know what? I'm fine with that. Fuck it. So now what we're gonna do is gonna make this easier. And just start up desk. And we don't get the option of that. Fuck. Alright, never mind. Next, you just start holding down Alt. Hope it works. And I'll pull that steering out real quick. I don't have to whip out the SSD. Because there's important stuff on there if I whip that out. I am going to be pissed beyond belief. Alright. I'll just boot it again. I'll be back. Attempt number 2. Let's do this. Install macOS. Because, you know, Mojave was the big garbage. The Micah Bell macOS. And now we're stuck here. Oh, no, we're not. Yay. I don't want to see the UV2 flash. We're going over. So, of course, it's going to be a little. Damn it. Why can't I format it by itself? Seriously. It's not that difficult, you morons. Hey, it's working this time. Piece of shit. Okay. But that was turn on. Wasn't sure. Maybe I'll look around while I'm here. So maybe I'm here. Because, you know, I put a bunch of retards. I can toss HD. Of course, I want to show this internal one. I should have backup drive I have. And as a day multiple because, you know, I will hit myself if I ask. No, just erase this. It's a bit late now, I guess. Hey, it's installing. Finally. Okay. I'm back in, guys, when I get to another screen that I can show you guys. Alright, here we are. And the welcome screen, of course. Where we can pick our country. Pick, of course, United States. US keyboard. No transferring, I'll do that manually. No location services. Don't want to go see my email, so I'm not going to do that. That's still a shortcut to get around it. Skip. I'm totally going to read these, not. Of course, the usual name thing. He could don't know that name, right? And I'm curious and guess the password. You know what? It's an offline password anyway. Why not, eh? I guess not. I should have clicked it more. I think that makes more sense to get. I will say this is a voiceover. I'm kind of lazy, I'll be honest. So, yeah, fuck it. I'll just do it later. Time zone. Take Baltimore. I don't know how that works. That's just Eastern Standard Time. It's fine with me. And then we wait for it to get all nice and set up. I don't know why Holmes does this. We detected a non-Apple keyboard, so we think it's bad. Fuck you. Okay, anyhow, just do that. That's easy enough. And now I shut the computer off and leave. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Until next time, take it easy.